Want to finally understand how to enable subtitles in VLC Media Player? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to bring up subtitles for your movies or shows. Whether you're watching in another language, need a little help following the dialogue, or just want to check out those bonus subtitle tracks, you'll learn exactly how to toggle subtitles on or off in just a few clicks, and why these settings are so useful. Let's dive right in. So let's say you've got a video, maybe it's an MKV or MP4 file, and it already includes subtitle tracks as part of the file itself. You won't need to hunt down any extra files or downloads. Everything you need is right inside that video. All you have to do is open your chosen video in VLC Media Player. Just double-click it or open VLC and go to Media Open File to pick the video from your computer. Once the video is playing, pause for a moment and look up at the top of the window. You'll see a menu labeled Subtitle. This is where you control all things related to captions and subtitle tracks. Click on that subtitle menu and you'll see a few different options pop up. Next, find the option called Subtrack. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down list of all subtitle tracks that are embedded within this video. Sometimes you'll just see one or two options like Track 1 English or Track 2 Spanish, depending on what's available. These tracks are part of the video file, basically like pages in a book. You can switch between them as you watch, picking the language or version that works best for you. If you're watching a foreign film, you might want the English subtitles. If you're learning a new language, maybe you'll switch it up and pick another track. Just select the subtitle track you want, and you should instantly see the subtitles appear over your video. If they don't show up right away, don't worry, sometimes it can take a second, or you might need to pause and restart the video for it to refresh. Subtitles will usually overlay at the bottom of the video screen, syncing automatically with the audio. This is super helpful if someone's speaking quickly or with a strong accent, or if you just want to catch every word. If you ever feel like the subtitles are distracting or they're showing up when you don't want them, like if you're already comfortable with the language, just go back into that subtitle menu. Click on Subtrack again and then select Disable. This turns off subtitles for this video, but don't worry, it doesn't delete them. You can always turn them back on at any time, so feel free to experiment and find what works best for your viewing situation. That's really all there is to it for enabling embedded subtitles in VLC. It's quick, totally hassle-free, and helps make your viewing experience more flexible, whether you're watching international films, homemade videos, or anything else. If you'd like to learn about adding external subtitle files or tweaking subtitle settings further, let me know in the comments below. I love helping out. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to hit that like button and drop a comment if you have any trouble or questions about VLC. And be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and enjoy your next movie night, with subtitles or without.